Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this device. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Location section. Following that, tap on this switcher next to access My Location. And as you can see, after that, location is on. You can switch it off by tapping on the same switcher again. You can also go into Tap menu instead. Look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. If it's blue, that means that location is on. To turn it off, tap on the same shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!